सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः। अद्य आरभ्य केचन अभ्यासान् कुर्मः। We shall do some exercises, and people who have I can ask anyone in the class. So whoever is there, I will ask anybody. You can see and answer, but we will try to, all of us will participate in this exercises session. There are 2-3 things that I will do. One is first type of exercise is I am going to tell the word in the Amarakosha. So we will revise the Swargavarga, because I think most of you know Swargavarga. You have been attending classes and you know Swargavarga very well. So what we will be doing is, I will be telling, for example, I will tell Shambhu, Shambhurishaha, something Shambhurishaha. So Shambhu or Shiva I will tell. So all the synonyms and the lines pertaining to Shiva, that person has to tell. It is random, and that is how we will try to revise. That is one, for 10 minutes we will do that exercise. Then I will go into the questions and some of the other kind of revision. Now, I know there are many people who will raise the hand and other things, but you can raise the hand if you want to answer, if you want to volunteer. So, Brahma. Who is going to tell the synonyms of Brahma? Please lift your hands. People who are ready to tell the synonyms of Brahma. So, Sriram Karunagaran.
नमस्कार महोदय। ब्रह्मात्मभूसुरज्येष्ठः परमेष्टि पितामहः हिरण्यगर्भो लोकेशः स्वयंभू चतुराननः धाता अब्जयोनिः द्रुहिणः विरिञ्चिः कमलासनः स्रष्टा प्रजापतिः वेधा विधाता विश्वसृड् विधिः नाभिजन्माण्डजः पूर्वनिधनः कमलोद्भवः सदानन्दः रजोमूर्तिः सत्यकः हंसवाहनः.
So here I want to ask you one question. Nabhijanmandaja purvo nidhana kamalodbhavah is there, no? How is the word split there?
तत्र नाभिजन्माण्डजः पूर्वः अनिधनः कमलोद्भवः. पूर्वः अनिधनः इति तत्र भवति. पूर्वः अनिधनः कमलोद्भवः. नाभिजन्म तत्र अण्डजः इति. नाभिजन्म अण्डजः पूर्वः अनिधनः कमलोद्भवः इति अस्ति.
अनिधनः एप्पि वदति
तत्र अनिधनः
सः नाभिजन्माण्डजः पूर्व. Okay. So how many words you are having totally, approximately, for Brahma?
Totally अस्तु. ब्रह्मा आत्मभूः सुरज्येष्ठः परमेष्टि पितामहः हिरण्यगर्भः लोकेशः स्वयंभुः चतुराननः धाता अब्जयोनिः द्रुहिणः विरिञ्चिः कमलासनः स्रष्टा प्रजापतिः वेदा विधाता विश्रषट् विधिः नाभिजन्म अंडजः पूर्वः अनिधनः कमलोद्भवः सदानन्दः रजोमूर्तिः सत्यकः अंशवाहनः 29 इति मन्ये महोदय
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् 29 exactly 29 but now only one question on dhata prajapatir vedha vidhata is there so vedha what is the prathama vibhakti form of prajapatir vedha
प्रजापतिर वेदः
so it in the sense you said prajapati
वेदा वेदसिति प्रातिपदिकं वेदसिति प्रातिपदिकं मन्ये वेदा इति प्रथमा विभक्ति
वेधा इति वा वेदाः इति वा
वेदाः इति वेदाः 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 सकारान्त इति मन्ये
वेदाः वेदसौ वेदसः उत्तमं महोदय very good I hope others also got this so one is revision and number of words and also very good धन्यवाद श्रीराम महोदय अतीव उत्तम प्रयत्नः अतीव समीचीनतया उत्तरं दत्तवान् भवान् अतीव आनन्दः अनुभूतवान् आनन्दम् अनुभूतवान् उत्तमं वेणु कोसूरी now Hari Om so I am looking for words for asura asuraha
asura is asura daitya daiteya
very good very good continue sir
asura daitya daiteya anujendra naridanava shukra shishya ditisuta purvadeva
suradvishah very good now there are how many words are there sir
asura 10 words
beautiful but can you tell me the split दैत्येन्द्र धनुजेन्द्रारि दानवाः दैत्येन्द्र धनुजेन्द्रारि दानवाः can you tell the
daitya split daiteya anuja dhanuja indrari
so if in bahuvachana it will become indrarihi indrarayah very good so if I ask the synonyms of asuraha so we have to when you are answering you should answer asuraha daityaha daiteyaha dhanujaha indrarayah danavaha shukrashishyaha like that you have to answer
all plural
you should answer in plural dhanyawad okay. But your answer was correct and thank you very much for answering it correctly dhanyawadaः next words for Indra anybody wishing to tell Varun Nanduri where is Varun suddenly dropped he went away Varun Indra words for Indra
Indro Marutvan Maghava Bidauja.
While you can tell that, but can you split and tell?
Oh, split and tell. Okay, Mahodaya.
Try. You have always told this chanting. You have always done.
Indraha Marutvan Maghava Bidaujaha Pakashasanaha Vriddhashravaha Sunasiraha Puruhutaha Purandaraha Jishnuhu Lekarshabha Shakraha Shatamanyuhu Divaspatihi Sutrama Gotra Bhidvajri Vasavaha Vritraha Vrisha Vastoshpatihi Surapatihi Balaratihi Shachipatihi Jambhavedi Harihayaha Swaranna Muchisudanaha Sankrandana Dushchyavanaha Turashan Meghavahanaha Akhandaha Sahasraksha Prabhukshaha Tasya tu Priya Tasya Priya.
Tasya tu Priya is not taken.
Yeah,
Till Rubuksha, first is till Rubuksha you have to tell. Now the split. Now we will go line by line once more. Varun, first line you tell. Indro
Marutvan Maghava Bidauja Pakashasanaha.
How many words? Indraha.
Indra 35 words, Mahodaya.
35 words. Now, but when you told more than 35. Indra, that is why I am asking you to count. Indra. Second word is what?
Marutvan Maghava.
Marutvan, okay.
Maghava.
So Marutvan and Maghava are not are not single word. They are two words. Marutvan, Maghava is a Prathama Vibhakti. So two words. So then next one is Bidaujaha Pakashasanaha. Okay. Now second line you told correctly. Third line, can you tell the split of the third line?
Jishnuhu Lekharshabha Shakraha Shatamanyuhu Divaspatihi.
Very good. Then fourth line, Gotrabhid Vajri. There can you tell the split? Is there a split or how are you telling? Varun? That is Gotrabhid Vajri. Two words there. Okay. Then coming to the Jambabedi Harihayaha. After that, can you split the word?
Swarana Muchisudanaha.
No, it is Swarat Namuchisudanaha. Swarat Namuchisudanaha. Namuchi is the name of a Daitya. The person who killed the Daitya Namuchi. Okay. Rubukshaha. So Sahasrakshaha Rubukshaha is what is the word. So it stops at Rubukshaha and it is 35 words are there. Very good. Dhanyavada Varun Mahodaya. Next word is Madana. Manmatha. Can you tell the words for Manmatha? Girija Murali. Girija Murali, can you tell the words for Manmatha?
Okay. Madanaha, Manmataha, Maraha, Pradyumnaha, Meenaketanaha, Kandarpaha, Darpakaha, Anangaha, Kamaha, Panchasharaha, Smaraha, Shambhaha, Ambarihi Manasijah Kusume Kusumeshur Ananyajah.
Kusume Kusumeshu, will it be Kusumeshu or Ananyaja? What is it?
Kusumeshur Ananyajah. 1 minute, I will see. Can I see the book and say?
अवश्यम् अवश्यं तद् दृष्ट्वा वदतु तत्र एतत् परीक्षा नास्ति एक्सर्सैस् एव अभ्यासः एव
Okay. Then 53. I have written in the notebook. Now I want to see the book. நான் நோட்டை பார்த்து சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன் எனக்கு புக்ல தேடுறதுக்கு முடியல.
Okay, no problem.
I have written in the notebook everything. So
okay.
Next Pushpadanva Ratipatihi Makaratwajah Atmabhuhu.
That is okay. Kusumeshwar Ananyajah mattu solluங்க. How does it come? Kusumeshuhu Ananyajah avradha. So Kusumeshuhu naka
Ananyajah.
Ishu naka Sanskritatla issue means what?
That idu karumbu will sugar cane.
No,
will
issue is issue is arrow.
Okay.
Issue is sugar cane. Now Kusumeshu is one who is having flower arrows.
Okay.
Kusumeshu, one who is having flower arrows. Kusumeshu. Very good.
Okay.
धन्यवादाः. उत्तमरीत्या उक्तवती.
Thank you.
धन्यवादाः. अतीव उत्तमरीत्या उक्तवती. इदानीं Kartikeya, that is Subramanya. Who wants to tell Kartikeya? Vishalakshi?
Ram. Kartikeyah Mahasenah Sharajanma Shadananah Parvati Nandanah Skandah Senanihi Agnirbuhu.
Very good. அந்த இடத்துல அக்னிர்பூஹு கிடையாது, அக்னிபூஹு.
அக்னிபூஹு குஹஹ பாஹுலேயஹ தாரகஜித் விஷாக்கஹ சிசிவாஹனஹ ஷான்மாதுரஹ शिखिवाहनः शान्मातुरः शक्तिधरः कुमारः क्रौञ्चधारणः.
उत्तमम्. So very good. उत्तमरीत्या उक्तवती. Next.
नमस्कार सर.
विष्णु सर. நீங்களே மகாவிஷ்ணு ஸ்வரூபமா இருக்க.
No. Vishnu, where is Vishnu? I'm trying to look at the page where Vishnu occurs. Divine Vishnu. Shambhurisha, Shiva. I'm looking at the book. Actually, Vishnu. Okay, Vishnuhu Narayanaha Krishnaha Vaikuntaha Ishtarashavaha Damodaraha ऋषिकेशः केशवः माधवः स्वभूः दैत्यारिः पुण्डरीकाक्षः गोविन्दः गरुडध्वजः विश्वाम्बरः अच्युतः शार्ङ्गी विश्वक्सेनः जनार्दनः उपेन्द्रः इन्द्रावरजः चक्रपाणिः चतुर्भुजः पद्मनाभः मधुरिपुः वासुदेवः त्रिविक्रमः देवकीनन्दनः शौरिः श्रीपतिः पुरुषोत्तमः वनमाली बलिध्वंसी कंसारातिरथोक्षजः विश्वम्बरः
कंसारातिः कंसाराति two words
कंसारातिः अधोक्षजः विश्वम्बरः कैटभजित् विदुः श्रीवत्सलाञ्छनः पुराणपुरुषः यज्ञपुरुषः नरकान्तः जलशायी विश्वरूपः मुकुन्दः पुरमर्दनः. So 46 words altogether, but
okay.
I think I have one question on that. I'm supposed to remember, but I don't remember. Indravarajaha Chakrapanihi. Indravarajaha means what?
Indrasya Avarajaha. So in Vamana Avatara he came as Indra's Avaraja. In Vamana Avatara Vishnu, he was born as Vamana, no? Diti's Diti's son. Diti's, so he is Avaraja to Indra in Vamana Avatara. That is why Vishnu Vamana Avatara is called as Indra Avaraja.
Yes. Okay. Very nice. I think these exercises make you think. So I think you should do it maybe at least once a week. This way, you go back and refresh your. I mean, this is the application of what we learned, right? I mean, you just memorize it, later on you forget it. But then if you do something like a homework assignment, you just do this and you think. Thank you, appreciate it.
Right. Dhanyavada. Next, Amit Mahodaya. Amit.
Namo Namah Mahodaya. Ram Ram.
Can you tell Balabhadra's names? Balabhadra.
Mahodaya. Balabhadrah, Pralambghanah, Baladevah, Achyutagrajah, Revati Ramanah, Ramah, Kamapalah, Alayudah, Neelambarah, Rohineyah, Talankah, Musli, Hali, Sankarsanah, Sirpanihi, Kalindi Bhedanah, Balah.
Super. Excellent. Dhanyavada. Very good. Next, today we will do this kind of an exercise. Tomorrow we'll do more interesting exercise. Pick the odd word, lingas, etc. All those things. We'll do interesting exercise. Now, I want Saptamataraha. Can anybody tell the names of 7 Saptamatara? Saptamatrikaha. Saptamatrika, anybody? Jana Iyer. Saptamatrika. Jana.
Yeah, I will just find out where it is, then I'll tell you. Which page it is?
I will not tell you. I will come back to you. Meanwhile, I'll come back to you, madam. Saptamataraha, Pratibha Bhagini.
Namaste Mahodaya. ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी कौमारी वैष्णवी वाराही इंद्राणी चामुंडा
सप्तमातरः वेरी गुड next can somebody tell the names of Vinayaka, that is Ganesha? Venkateshwaran Gopala, Venkateshwaran sir, Gopala sir.
Namaskar sir.
Vinayaka.
One minute. विनायकः विघ्नराजः द्वैमातुरः गणाधिपः अप्येकदन्तः हेरम्बः लंबोदरः गजाननः
very good धन्यवाद sir.
Yes.
Can anybody tell the synonym of Agni? So Narayana, can you tell Agni?
अग्निः वैश्वानरः अग्निः वीतिहोत्रः धनञ्जयः
कृपीटयोनिः, that is
कृपीटयोनिः
ज्वलनः जातवेदः so in Jataveda you should say Jatavedah
Tanunapah Krishna
Shochiskeshah
Ushadbhutah Ashtayayaः बृहद्भानुः वृषाणुः
पावकः अनलः अग्रे
रोहिताश्वः
न इतोपि अस्ति रोहिताश्वः
वायुचखः शिखावाणा सुषुक्षणिः
शिखावान् आशुषुक्षणिः
शिखावान् आशुषुक्षणिः हिरण्यरेताः बुधभुक् दहनो हसनः हव्यवाहनः सप्तार्षिः दमुनाः शुक्रः शुक्रश्चित्रभानुः विभावसुः हिरण्यरेता
शुचिः अप्पित्तम् that's all. Aurva and Vadava is different. You have to close at Appittam, and Chitrabhanu, Shukra and Chitrabhanu are two separate words. Okay. So totally you should get 34 words for Agni.
Okay, astu Mahadaya.
Astu. Dhanyavadah. Uttamah prayatnah. I know they are very small children to even split this one, but they have tried and they have done it successfully. So next word that we want to attempt is so ekanimisham. Jaladhar Vyas Mahodaya. Vyas Mahodaya.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. So can you tell the words of Vayu?
Let me think. Okay. I think you have to come back to me.
Okay, I will come back. Kausalya Bhagini.
अस्तु महोदय
ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ವಾಯು
ಶ್ವಸನಃ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶನಃ ವಾಯುಃ ಮಾತರಿಶ್ವ ಸದಾ ಗತಿಃ ಪೃಷದಶ್ವಃ ಗಂಧವಃ ಗಂಧವಾಹ ಅನಿಲಾಹ I don't know how to ಆಶುಗಾಹ
ಗಂಧವಹ ಒಂದ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗಂಧವಾಹ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಗಂಧವಾಹ
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅನಿಲಾಹ
ಅನಿಲ
ಅಗ್ನಿ ಅನಿಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಯುವ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಅನಿಲ ಚುಲ್ಲಿ ಚುಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್. ಅನಿಲ ಚುಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟವ್. Because it is having gas which is vayu inside the cylinder. So anila chulli, you should remember. That's anila chulli is gas stove, anila is vayu, anala is agni.
Anilaha ashugaha samirah marut samirah marutah marut ಜಗತ್ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಸಮೀರಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ.
ವಾತಃ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಭಸ್ವಾನ್ ನಭಸ್ವಂತೋ ನಭಸ್ವತ್ ಶಬ್ದ ಅದು. ನಭಸ್ವಾನ್ ವಾತಃ
ಪವನಃ ಪವಮಾನಃ ಪ್ರಭಂಜನಃ.
उत्तमं, वेरी गुड. उत्तम प्रयत्नः, उत्तम रीत्या उक्तवती, धन्यवादः. So 20 words are there for vayu. Now पंच वायु भेदाः. लास्य which are the five types of vayu? Sharirastha ime ramhah. Before that it is there, no?
Sharirastha ime ramhah. Sharirastha.
No, sharirastha yete vayavah. Kete vayavah? Pranah.
Pranah, apanah, dhyanah, udanah, samanah.
But in the order in the Amarakosha is prana, apana, samana, udana, vyana. Be careful with the order in the Amarakosha. Very important. Prana, apana, samana, udana, vyana are the 5 orders as per Amarakosha. Order is important. Dhanyavadaha. Then there are a lot of people whom I can ask, but I will only have one more question for today. Tomorrow we will practice some more on the Swarga Varga. We will do 2 practices per Varga, 2 classes per Varga practice, so that we revise some of the important words. Next one is somebody who's Venkatraghavan Mahodaya. Shiva.
Namaskara. Shiva. Namaskara. Shambhu Ishah Pashupatihi Shiva Shulin Maheshwarah Ishwarah Sharvah Ishanah Shankarah Chandrasekharah Bhuteshah Khandaparashuh Girishah Mridah Mrityunjayah Krittivasah Pinaki Pramathadipah Ugraha Kapardin Srikantaha Shitikantaha Kapalabhrit Vamadevaha Mahadevah Virupakshaha Trilochanah Krishanuretaha Sarvakyaha Dhurjatihi Neelalohitaha Haraha Smaraharaha Bhargaha Triambakaha Tripurantakaha Gandadharaha Andhakaripuh Kratudvamsi Vrishadhwajaha Vyomakeshaha Bhavaha Bhimaha Stanuh Rudraha उमापतिः अहिर्बुद्न्यः अष्टमूर्तिः गजारिः महानटः
धन्यवादः उत्तमं वेरी गुड how many words yatna words do you remember
52 sir
52 very good उत्तमं रीत्या वेंकटराघवन महोदयः उक्तवान् अरुण कुमार तंगवेल
सर
उमा कात्यायनी पार्वती
I'm sorry sir I don't know the number is correct
what do you know
Garuda's name
I'm unable to hear you sir there is a background noise
is it okay sir now is it okay now hello 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 are you able to hear me Sir, can you hear me now?
राव महोदय राव उमा भगिनी
Sir. Hello.
Parvati. Can you tell for Parvati?
Uma, Katyayani, Gauri, Kali, Haimavati, Ishwari, Shiva, Bhavani, Rudrani, Sharvani, Sarvamangala, Aparna, Parvati, Durga, Mrudani, Chandika, Ambika, Arya, Dakayani, Girija, Menakatmaja, Karmamoti, Chamunda, Charmamunda, Charchika.
भवत्याः नाम उमा अस्ति वा you are also called Uma or the email is so you have so many names okay
thank you
last question Chitra Bhagini.
Sir, I have a question before you ask me, sir. 144 la Vayu ordla Gandhavaha Nila Ashugaha nirkliya. Adala bande Gandhavaha Anilaha Ashugaha dane.
Gandhavaha first. Gandhavaha Anilaha Ashugaha.
Okay, okay. இத இங்க கொடுத்திருக்கிறது வந்து சமாச பதமா கொடுத்திருக்கா இல்லையா பகுபத okay okay then okay கேளுங்க சார் which one
உங்களுக்கு क्वेश्चन கேக்குறேன் தர்ம ஓகே இது சொல்லுங்க தர்மராஜா யமஹாக்கு என்னென்ன சினானிம்ஸ்
யமஹாவா धर्मराजः पितृपतिः परेतराट् कृतान्तः यमुना भ्राता शमनः यमराट् यमः कालः दण्डधरः श्रद्धदेवः वैवस्वतः ओके श्राद्धदेवः वैवस्वतः अन्धकः राक्षसः कौपणः
Rakshasa is the next series. So adoda munjurtu antaka oda munjurtu.
Okay, okay sir, okay, yeah.
Okay. So 14 words for Yama. That's what we have understood. So thank you for everybody participating in this revision and attending this revision class. Believe me, this revision is going to help you a lot. It is going to help you to revise, and it is going to really brush your knowledge. Your memory will be get pressed, and your bit of the word you will have some doubts. All that you will brush along with this. Dhanyavada. Okay. So there may be some lines which you are not finding in your book. That is because of few things. There it might be, say for example, Brahmi Maheshwari Chaiva may not be there, Saptamatara in many of the books, but actually we have taken that from another book, and we have included that in the line in our version of Amarakosha, which is the web version, amarakosha.vyomalabs.in. In that version we have taken and we have included. So Adhika Pataha. So if you see here, it will be written as Adhika Pataha. If it is Adhika Pata, means it was not there originally in some of the books, but in some of the books it was there. Then we said we will add it in our version of Amarakosha, which we are learning. So which is why we have given it as Adhika Pata. So there might be some Adhika Patas. So let us learn along with the Adhika Pata. Dhanyavada. Swasti prajabhyah paripalayantam nyayena margena mahimahishah go brahmanebhyah shubhamastu nityam loka samasta sukhino bhavantu loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.